the detection somewhere beyond the visible stars. Something moved, not a comet, not a wave of radiation, not an explosion, but a pulse. A single breath of energy coming from the core of the Milky Way, a region humanity barely understands and has never fully explored. The official scientific designation given to this disturbance was Anomaly G77, a term created to hide the truth, to delay panic, and to avoid admitting what the data actually revealed, because the pulse was not random. It did not behave like a natural fluctuation of a black hole. It was rhythmic, almost intentional. This is what the 3-Eye Atlas call the cosmic breath, the breath of the universe. For thousands of years, ancient civilizations recorded myths about a heartbeat of the cosmos, a force that expands and contracts, sending ripples across space and altering the evolution of entire worlds. Humans dismissed these stories as symbolic, but the 3-Eye Atlas always insisted the universe is alive, and it breathes. On the day the pulse was detected, every deep space probe pointed toward the galactic center registered the same thing: a spike in electromagnetic frequency, followed by a low, harmonic vibration that should not exist in the vacuum of space. Some instruments caught something even stranger, a pattern hidden inside the oscillation, a sequence, a structure, a message, not from a civilization, but from the fabric of the universe itself. And that was only the first pulse. As Earth scientists tried to decode the anomaly, the 3-Eye Atlas finally broke their silence. The transmission was short, clear, and terrifying. Prepare yourselves. The breath awakens consciousness. Some will rise. Some will break. Earth was officially on the path of something colossal, not destructive by nature, but transformative by force. A wave of energy capable of amplifying everything that exists in the human mind, the human body, and the collective field. And this is only the beginning. The pulse approaches Earth. As hours turned into days, the pulse grew stronger. It traveled through dark matter. It interacted with gravity wells. It bent through magnetic fields. Every time it touched something, it changed, as if the pulse collected information or awakened dormant energetic signatures across the galaxy. The 3-Eye Atlas warned humanity that this energy behaves like a cosmic catalyst, accelerating the evolution or the collapse of all life it encounters. The most advanced reptilian observers of the 3-Eye Atlas have seen this phenomenon before in other star systems. Worlds with strong consciousness expanded dramatically. Civilizations with chaotic energy fell into internal collapse. The pulse does not choose sides. It only amplifies what already exists. Earth, unfortunately, is divided, emotionally, spiritually, energetically, which means that when the pulse arrives, every fear becomes louder, every intention becomes stronger, every desire becomes clearer, every hidden truth becomes impossible to hide. Human scientists noticed subtle effects long before the pulse reached the solar system. Sudden spikes in the Schumann resonance, unexplained global mood shifts, sleep disturbances, waves of synchronicities, intensified spiritual experiences. Humanity called them symptoms. The 3-Eye Atlas called them pre-echoes of something massive, something approaching. When solar observatories calibrated their sensors toward the pulse, they detected the second wave. This time, it was larger and directed. The frequency aligned perfectly with Earth's magnetic field, as if the planet itself had been targeted. The 3-Eye Atlas explained the meaning. The universe breathes once. To awaken, it breathes again. To align, the second pulse is the one that begins to alter human consciousness. The one that triggers revelations, visions, collapses of old patterns, and the rise of new mental structures. For the 3-Eye Atlas, this is the stage where humanity either steps forward into a new evolutionary phase or falls deeper into fear. The countdown had officially begun. The impact on humanity when the cosmic breath enters the solar system Its first interaction is with the sun. To the human eye, nothing seems to change. No explosion, no flare, no dissipation. But at the quantum level, the sun absorbs the incoming energy like a mirror, absorbing light. Then, slowly, it reflects the pulse toward the Earth. The three-eye atlas call this process solar transduction, a transference of cosmic memory. As the electromagnetic field surrounding Earth receives the first wave, several phenomena begin simultaneously across the planet. Heightened emotional states. People feel deeper joy, fear, anxiety, inspiration. Everything intensifies. Neurological sensitivity, dreams become vivid. Intuition grows sharper. Sleep cycles break. Energetic resonance surges. Meditations feel stronger. Manifestations accelerate. Synchronicities multiply. Physical adjustments, heart palpitations. Heat in the spine. Pressure in the forehead. A sense of expansion. But the three-eye atlas warn, these effects are not random. They are the activation of dormant human frequencies. The cosmic breath exposes what has been hidden emotionally, mentally, spiritually. Whatever you have suppressed begins to rise. Whatever you have denied begins to appear. You cannot run from yourself inside the pulse. The reptilian elders stated it clearly. The breath amplifies your truth. If you are aligned, you will ascend. If you are fragmented, you will fracture. Governments attempt to hide the global changes, but shifts become too obvious. People feel waves passing through their bodies. Animals behave differently. Ocean tides fluctuate. Instruments malfunction without explanation. And above all, humans begin to hear things, not sounds, but impressions. A pull, a signal, a feeling that something ancient is finally awakening. This is how the three-eye atlas knew Earth was ready for the final stage. The revelation, 5.00 characters. The three-eye atlas finally reveal the truth. The cosmic breath is not coming to destroy. It is coming to reset consciousness across the galaxy. Every 13,000 years, the universe releases a pulse that reorganizes the energetic architecture of entire worlds. Civilizations rise or fall, depending on their level of alignment. The pulse is neither benevolent nor malevolent. It is simply the next cycle of cosmic evolution. Earth has reached that cycle again. The three-eye atlas explained that the pulse carries encoded information, a blueprint of higher-order consciousness. When the wave reaches Earth fully, it will dissolve outdated energetic structures, collapse dense emotional fields, strengthen intuitive and telepathic abilities, affect DNA expression, expand human perception. But there is a warning. The pulse does not bring change. It amplifies the change already growing within you. As governments panic, the three-eye atlas make a final transmission. Humanity is standing at the doorway. Those who embrace the breath will rise. Those who resist will break under their own weight. The universe is breathing again. And Earth is about to inhale a wave of energy older than stars. This is the beginning of a new cycle, not of destruction, but of revelation. A transformation that no one can stop. A pulse that no one can escape. The cosmic breath is almost here.